Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
This is the Disneyland Resort App. Now, this is well worth downloading because, as you'll see, there's access to a whole host of useful information within this app, and it's all visible via the virtual map. Everything you want, from attractions to shows, character meetups, dining spots and everything in between. So if we go through this one by one, you can see here, if I want to know next time I can find Mickey, I have that information. Clicking through the attractions, I can see the forecasted waiting times and lightning lane access as well through the app. Now, moving on from there, you can see the show times as well. So it'll provide a breakdown of the events and shows going on, as well as PhotoPass access and some other information under guest services. Most useful here being the locker rentals and the picture spot location areas. So for the picture spots, if I just show you that element here, you can see on the map the suggested locations for where you can snap some great pics whilst on holiday. And also there's that integration with the PhotoPass there. From there, you can also look at other details such as shops, your hotels, and the spa offering. So we're staying at the Grand Californian Hotel, so you can have a look at the offering and amenities according to that specific hotel.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.